Sometimes you need a tool that can clean everything, from small idler rollers to large belts and paths. That tool is the KICPad. The dual-sided KICPad combines an absorbent microfiber side along with an abrasive scrubbing side. The microfiber side is designed to pre-treat and remove debris. The scrubbing side was designed to be safe on all types of materials, including plastics, while still being highly effective at loosening stubborn contaminants. The patent-pending teardrop design fits easily in the hand and allows for quick and easy cleaning. The KICPad is available in two configurations: dry, or as an individually pouched pad, pre-saturated with Miracle Magic, the industry-leading cleaning agent designed for currency handling automation. The KICPad is ideal when manual cleaning is necessary on ATMs, TCRs, currency counters, retail cash recyclers, and more.